Well, the last couple of days we've been paying for that warm winter. I think this is yesterday, April 10th, and you can see it started out as a snowstorm in the morning, and it just kept getting windier and blowing more until we got about a half an inch of snow, and finally it stopped, but it was pretty nasty out. So today I'm indoors, and this is my lettuce that I had put under the Green Joy in the Green Joy grow box here. You can see I'm gonna pick some today to make my first couple salads with. And that Green Joy box really is. It's been really great. The light is perfect for growing greens and lettuce like that. Whether you use it for the hydroponics or just do dirt in pots like this and put it in there, those lights really do work good. So, it's really a versatile thing. So I'm just going to clean up the lettuce here now. It doesn't really need washing because it was grown indoors and stuff. But I find that when you fresh pick it, you throw it in some ice cold water for a couple of minutes like this. It really does help crisp it up a little bit and stuff. So we've got well water that's probably about 50 degrees right now. So that does a good job at it. And I like to use my wife's little salad spinner here. Makes it easy to get all the water out of it when you're done. I always look forward to the first fresh lettuce of the year. I did put some of this outside, but the weather's just been frightful, and I'll show you some pictures of what it looks like at the end of this video here. So you just pump this thing a little bit and spins it around, and everything comes out nice and dry and ready to go. So in the end, I didn't really have enough lettuce for 2 big salads for us, so I decided to add a bunch of our veggies that we can and stuff like that to put together something that almost looks like a chef salad here. So I've got some of my pickled habanadas, some pickled natapinos, some pickled beets that we made, some carrots, a couple piece slices of the Jarlsberg cheese, and some ham we had laying around, and some black olives I got out of a can, and an egg, and some little old shriveled up compery tomatoes that we've had laying around for weeks. So there's my, my first winter salad there with some fresh bread, and we had some dehydrated apples and zucchini bread out of the freezer for dessert. So I just thought I'd show you that, kind of in isolation here with all my plants, and last 8 weeks or so I've been sitting here talking to them and stuff, and it seems to be helping them do well because they're all really doing good. And there's that second batch of transplants that I started, and you can see they're all taking off and doing really good. A lot of the flowers and stuff like that. And these are the original tomatoes and peppers and eggplants that I had first started a couple weeks ago, and they're really doing great. They're really healthy looking, and about 6-7 inches tall now. So hopefully it'll warm up someday so I can get them out in the garden, but it doesn't look like it's going to happen in the near future with the crazy weather that we've been having the last couple days, and the prediction for next week that's coming. So that's what all my little seedlings look like right now, and I just thought I'd share this with you. And I'm just going to take you outside, and there's all that kale that I started inside, but that's really beat up now. We've had a couple days of 40-mile-an-hour winds and snow and stuff, so that's going to take a while to recover. And the same with the lettuce that I put out there. It was doing good. We had a couple sunny days, and all of a sudden the weather turned bad, and it's not doing so great anymore. And the spinach has finally just started popping through. It's with all this cold, it's taken forever for things to germinate. And also that lettuce that I planted a week ago, that's just, started coming through right now. And just thought I'd show you that I don't survive on vegetables alone. And my jelly beans are going to make it to Easter, which my wife says she bet they wouldn't. So they've been around for about 8 or 9 weeks now. So just thought I'd share this with you. And, hopefully others have started lettuce and they're enjoying it now. And, have some good fresh veggies in this time of, isolation that we're in. Stay safe, everyone, and have a happy Easter. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.